Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. आजकल मार्केट में most biscuits they contain refined flour, refined sugar, preservatives to increase shelf life, and God only knows what else. So when I decided to make my own healthy biscuits, I zeroed in on Raagi Cookies. इसमें ज़्यादा dietary fibre होने के साथ इसे खाने के बाद जल्दी भूख भी नहीं लगती. इसे आज हम बनाएंगे Nutralite के साथ, which is rich in omega-3 and has 0% cholesterol. So let's get baking. We first combine 5 tablespoons of Nutralite. Jaggery sugar, that's the consistency we want. We add around 50 grams of dry roasted ragi. This is how it looks. 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Around 20 grams or 2.5 tablespoons of roasted oats. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. We mix it all in. Now add around a tablespoon of milk and bind it, and then add another tablespoon after that. Now add the remaining milk, just a pinch of cinnamon. So now you just keep this in the fridge for around 15 minutes to half an hour to set in the fridge. Now we make small little balls with the dough. If you want to make it interesting for kids, you can actually add some chocolate chips into it. These are great for kids and also a great activity to do with them. You can even use cookie cutters and have cute little stars and heart-shaped cookies. Kids love it. They even taste wonderful. Okay, now we put these in the oven. My oven's already preheated at 180 degrees. Bake them for around 15 to 20 minutes. Yum! So these have cooled down, and we just arrange them in a plate. Oh my God! These are super crunchy and so light. Perfectly baked हुआ है. Remember, जब cookies bake कर रहे हैं, make sure that you space the cookies out. नहीं तो bake करते वक्त वो फैल जाते हैं and you don't want them to stick. Store them in an airtight container. Relish these delicious and healthy cookies, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.